Fenders came in for the pickup truck for the Sonoma. So let's do a little unboxing. Let's check the quality of these, see if we gotta ship them back, which I hope we don't. I hope they were nice. That has nothing to do with this, but alright. That looks nice. That looks good. That looks good. Wow. Yeah, metal work is a little shoddy, but that's actually not too bad. All right. Beautiful. One down. In good condition. Let's hope it's the same for this one. Alright, see, this one looks good too. Uh-oh, I hear people coming in. Yeah, nothing bent. That looks... Those look pretty purty. I like them a lot. Gotta put these on the truck. Alright. It is cold in here. We gotta get this going. Let that start itself. It's time to finally start working on this. And here we are, all jacked up on jack stands. This one wouldn't fit under the frame. So I have that little one on the frame. I didn't trust the little baby one, so I did a double action there on both sides. But she's up, she's ready to be taken apart. So let's get into it. I paused the music for a little vocal update here instead of just watching me and fast forward. A little update. Took everything out. Watch out for this second screw. Well, second bolt right here that's hiding underneath this. Go bolt there, one here, one behind there, one there, one there, one there. And I'm pretty sure that was it. So it wasn't too bad, but you gotta I had to take the hood off. I had to take that cowl off, wipers. So yeah, there's a little bit more. The grill, as you saw. I thought I was gonna have to take the bumper off, but I did not. So next is gonna be this side, but first I think I'm gonna start with taking all the hardware off of this. I gotta take that off. These rubber pieces, hopefully they don't break. I don't know why those are there, but I'll see if I need those. I gotta take all these pins out of every single one because the new one doesn't come with it, obviously. So I'm gonna press play on my music again and put you guys in fast forward mode. together. Just like that, truck's done. Obviously I took the lazy road with the camera recording and did it off camera. It was kind of a pain in the ass. Actually, let me get this so I can show you. Everything looks okay. I got a huge gap over here. It kind of goes into a smaller gap, but the door does open and not hit it. So that is good. I also, off camera, redid the pins that are inside. You can't really see that. I don't have good lighting right now. But I redid the door pins on both sides. Door fender is on there, grill's back on, hood's back on. The wheel well's back in. I need light. There we go. Wheel well's back in. This side was a pain in the rear. I was having trouble with this still hitting right in that corner spot right there. But this gap is a little bit better. It kind of makes it a little bit worse at the top. Everything else is not bad. This, I mean, I need to do a little fine tuning here because that gap is whoa. So some little fine adjustments, but all in all, not too bad. I'm not looking for perfection. Just looking to get it inspected, roadworthy. And then next year we'll start tearing it all apart and getting to the nitty gritty. So I'm gonna throw these wheels back on. I'm probably gonna end the video here. And nothing really much more to see. This was just the fender video. So we're gonna end this here. Next, I don't know if I'm gonna do the e-brake stuff or the exhaust. But we shall see. I'll make that decision probably over the next couple days. And we'll go from there. I got to do the wheel cylinders in the back. That's right. Yeah, I'll probably do that. I'll probably do the wheel cylinders and the e-brake cables in the rear. Get that all situated. And we're just one step closer to getting around the road.